Welcome to Transaction Desk Training. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a transaction. There are multiple ways to do that in the Transaction Desk program. When you log into your program, your landing page will be the agent dashboard. You can also select other menu options from the main menu bar on the left. To expand that menu bar, click the three green lines at the top, which we'll call the hamburger. Your agent dashboard has a shortcut button called Create Transaction. We can start a transaction this way, or we can go to our list of transactions by clicking the Transactions menu option. And in this program, anytime you want to start something new, you're looking for the plus sign to add. No matter which way you create the transaction, the process will be the same. Anything with a red asterisk or the wording in red will be required. Everything else is optional. The name is the name of your file. You can call it the property address, the name of your buyers or sellers, the names of the documents you'll be adding. You can call it whatever you'd like. I'm going to call this one 123 Osborne Road. If you have a template created, one of the places you can apply that template would be from the drop-down menu here. If you'd like to give your transaction a type so you can easily search and sort later, you can do that here. If you want to use the import data feature, which in ZipForm was called MLS Connect, you would select the local MLS that your listing was with. Make sure the correct listing type is selected. Perhaps your listing is a residential rental or land and lots. And then you would enter the MLS number. This is just a shortcut that pulls some information from the listing onto your forms, so you don't have to type it. If you don't want to use this feature or you don't yet have an active listing, select source should be your drop-down menu option. You can also use the shortcut to add me as the listing agent or the buyer's agent, or both as a shortcut. I'm going to manually add us as a contact later. You can leave the wizard box checked and create your transaction. Since we decided to use the wizard, we are in step 1. The wizard is just the most commonly used menu options when creating a transaction. After you fill in the fields, you can click the next button to go to the next option. Or you can select any one of the menu options from the right. So if we wanted to jump right to our contact section or jump right to the form section, we can do that. The difference between forms and documents would be the forms are the fillable forms provided by your MLS and your associations. So your purchase contracts, your listing agreements, things like that. The forms are fillable. Documents would be anything you would upload from the outside. Anything that you would upload from your computer or that another agent would send you, perhaps a PDF or a Word document. Documents are not fillable in this portion of the program. You will have the option to add a text fields to documents in the signing portion, but documents are not fillable in the transaction portion. Once you've selected all of your menu options in your transaction, to get back to any other menu option, select that option from the left. Remember, your main menu is on the left, your transaction menu would be on the right.